Hi guys, so I'm with Jessa and I wanna know how her day. So how's your day?
My day is nothing but you.
What do you mean nothing but me?
I have nothing today but you.
Oh, how about your life?
My life is my life is concrete.
Oh, you mean a house? Concrete?
Yes, because strong.
That's good. You're strong. You're a strong girl.
Yes, I'm a strong girl.
Yes. Did you eat? Did you eat now?
Yes, I eat very well.
Wow. What's your eating?
I eat andoks.
Wow.
Shout out andoks. I
Hi,
eat you.
Andoks.
Hi andoks. I eat you later.